Greetings and salutations, YouTube is here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today is going to be a haul video, and if you guys are interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. It was actually the haul from all the thrifting that I did in this morning's vlog. So if you guys want to check that out, I have that linked. It's pretty good. I went to a bunch of different stores and got some really great stuff. So let me start off with the first store that I went to. I've actually been pulling items for an event that I'm doing at that location this coming week on Thursday, but of course I couldn't help but do a little bit of shopping for myself. So let me show you guys what I ended up getting. The first thing I have here is this really cool, it's just a vintage butter dish from Rae Dunn by Magenta, and it is so cute. And what I really like about this is that it's one of those large butter dishes. So like, you know when you buy like those giant like sticks of margarine or whatever from Costco, and the whole thing doesn't fit inside one of these butter dishes? I think this one will. So I think this is gonna be a great addition to the kitchen, and it's just really cute. So really excited about this guy. It was only $4.99. Just needs a little wash, and I think it's gonna be good to go. So there's that, my vintage Rae Dunn butter dish, which I'm super excited about. And then the next thing, I try to be very sparse in this store because I wanted to leave as much stuff for the event as I can. So I just got things that I just like I had to get. And so what's really funny is that a lot of the stuff that I picked, like I'm not gonna pick it unless I want it for myself too, like unless I think it's really, really awesome. I feel like a lot of that stuff I'm gonna try and buy at the event. If no one wants them, I'm gonna be like, okay, well I'm gonna have to take this home because it's so awesome. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I ended up getting from that. So that event is on Thursday, and if you guys do want to see the event, it's going to be live on the OC Goodwill Instagram, so you guys can check it out there. I think they're going to go do Instagram live on there, and then I'm going to have a video the next day on Friday, so that'll be my video on Friday for that. So the next thing I have here, and you guys know I like collect like leaf platters and all that, and this one is a awesome one. This one is actually from Pottery Barn, which I'm very excited about. It was only $3.99, and it still has remnants of the original sticker, so I feel like this may have never been used and might have been just a gift or something, that or something decorative that someone bought. So it's just like a little dirty, so it just needs a good wash, and it's going to be good to go. And what's awesome too is that this is microwave and dishwasher safe, which are two of my favorite things when it comes to plates and platters and stuff. The only other thing that would be like even more awesome is if it was also freezer safe and also oven safe. It's really cool. It's really pretty, right? It's very like autumnal, so this is gonna be like a great fall platter as well. And then the rest of the stuff that I got, they're all pretty much handbags from when I went to Crossroads. And all this stuff is going to be up in the shop as well if anyone is interested. itsHadrian.com. And also if you guys are interested in knowing when I do post new items in the shop, add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. But, okay, so the first thing I have here is this really cute Rebecca Minkoff like satchel. It's in a really pretty like salmon pink color with gold hardware. It does have like a little bit of like staining, which honestly I kind of like when I see things at the thrift store or like at a consignment store, because then they'll mark things down. But things like this are so superficial and they're so easy to clean. The interior is like in perfect condition. It's just like so it looks like someone just like maybe spilled some juice or something on the front. So it's only $22.50, and this also being Saffiano leather is super duper easy to clean. So very excited about this. So this is gonna go up in the shop. It's so cute. It kind of looks like a Balenciaga, right? Kinda. Okay. There's that. Ooh, and then keeping in theme with that color combination, I have this beautiful floral Rebecca Minkoff satchel. This one is so nice. The design on here is really, really pretty. I love the flower. I think it's like a, do you know what kind of flower that is? Like a, is it like a hibiscus? No. I can never remember the names of flowers and stuff, but really, really cute. It's just like a little squished, but just like a little like once you start using it or just like stuff it, it'll reshape it and it'll be good to go. And this one was, there's a price tag right here, $42.50. Ah, so gorgeous, so cute. Alright, so there's that. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this one. I don't know how, I actually got this one too at the Goodwill while I was there, and this one is a Lucky brand satchel. Really, really cute. I really like this kind of like nubuck kind of feeling leather. I don't think it's nubuck though. I think it's just like it's like a regular leather, but it's like kind of like distressed. I think it's just like a distressed leather. Really nice. I love the detail right here on the handles with like this like the leather pieces like kind of woven through and then knotted. I think that's really cool. The brass hardware, of course, is always a nice touch, and it's also great because it does have a crossbody strap, and the interior has so much room, and I love a middle compartment as well. And there's like a million zipper compartments. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 open pockets, and then another pocket on the back. And there's also a pocket on the front, so like a zillion pockets. This is a really great bag. Lots of compartments, great for everyday wear. Then up next, oh, this one was so cute. This is just a nice little Tory Burch crossbody bag with gold hardware. Now this one also has a little bit of like, I don't know what this is, like staining. It looks almost like paint, maybe even a little bit of color transfer. I'm hoping that just a little bit of cleaning will get it out and that it'll come out pretty nicely, but I know that Tory Burch leathers are usually pretty resilient, so I'm hoping that this will come off without a hitch. This was a little bit pricier at $42.50, but Tory Burch bags are usually a lot more expensive, and it's really clean on the inside. 2 card pockets, so you don't actually need to carry a wallet in here. It's kind of like a wallet on a chain, and there you go. It's really, really nice. So you can use this crossbody, shoulder. You can even kind of use it like as a bum bag, kind of wear it like a fanny pack type of deal. So really fun. You can also remove these and then just use that as a clutch, which is nice as well. And this will fit the iPhone. So I have, this is the XS Max. Will fit perfectly. So really, really great size. Then up next, ooh, this one, okay. This one's a rare find, and this is the Michael Kors, the Selma, but this is in the large. And this is fantastic. It's in like a taupe color. This is in the soft Yana leather, gold hardware. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Crossbody strap, top handle, and this guy was $42.50. And this one is also in a great shape. A little bit wrinkly, just from like probably from storage. But just start using it a little bit, and that'll just iron itself out. And it's gonna look fantastic. So I'm very excited about this bag. It's so gorgeous. The Selma is one of my favorite designs from Michael Kors. And now I'm offering it to you guys up in the shop. Really excited. I know a lot of you guys really like the Selma too. Every time I find them, I get really excited because I know a lot of you guys enjoy this bag as well. Okay, and then I think I have one last item. Okay, last but not least, this is probably the pièce de résistance, which I really do like as well. And this one is a Marc Jacobs kind of like shoulder bag. This bag is so nice. I love, like, it has this beautiful quilting detail. The gold hardware. This is like an ivory leather. And the quilted part is like 2 shades lighter than the rest of the body, which is like almost like an off-white, and then this is kind of like an ivory. Or it's like a taupe ivory. I can't really explain it, but it's just really, really pretty. Really nice. And this one is made in Italy, so it's not Marc by Marc. This is Marc Jacobs collection. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bag. It was only $47.50. I love the details on it. I love how it's kind of like slouchy. It also does come with the original dust bag, which is always really nice. And there's a Marc Jacobs made in Italy stamp right there. And yeah, the interior is like nice and clean. This bag is in pretty good condition. There's a little bit of markings on the front, but I think I could just clean those off. I don't even know if it's coming off on camera. But yeah, this guy's only $47.50, and this bag is probably over $1,000, probably like a $1,200 bag, back when it was in stores. So that is going to end yeah, that's it. That's gonna end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and checking out all the cool stuff that I got. If you guys want to see again the thrifting video for this, hit the little button right there or down below in the description box. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to check out tomorrow's video bright and early at 7 a.m. and the new vlog goes up at 2. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Alright, you guys, check it out. I just found there's a vintage Calvin Klein sweater. Found it in one of those racks over there. So let's check out the rest of them and see what they have. They have something. Oh, what is this? Deluxe. Yeah, deluxe. What's this? Jessica Simpson. DKNY. Coach? No, it's not Rossetti.